Hi, this is your Alpha. You're listening to Wolf Theory, where comfort dies and instincts rise.
They say the world breaks everyone. But some of us, we grow back sharper, deadlier.
Pain doesn't mean stop. Pain means you're still in the fight. You feel that burn in your chest? That's life saying, prove you're worthy.
Pain is your signal. Don't ignore it. Use it. Own it. When the world goes quiet and it's just you against your thoughts, that's where wolves are made. Not in the gym, not in the crowd, but in silence.
The moment you quit is the moment you start dying inside. So don't give in. Don't give up. Not now. Not ever.